In this video, we will understand overflow errors. Okay, so what are overflow errors? We will understand in the concept of binary arithmetic. Okay, so binary like overflow errors occur when the result of the operation exceeds the container capacity used to hold the result. Okay, so let we will understand this concept in the like context of 8-bit register. So first of all, let us understand what is an 8-bit register. It is a tiny ultra-fast storage area that holds data the computer CPU needs for immediate processing, or it's like a CPU's notepad for quick calculations. Okay, so now let's say we have an 8-bit register, okay, that can hold only numbers, zeros and ones, and only 8 digits. So let's say this is a register. Let's say this is a register in CPU 1, 3, 4, 6. So let's say this is a register, and now it can only hold 8 bits. Okay, let's say any bit, say 1, anything, you can write it. Okay, but let's say it can hold only these bits. But now, because of a calculation or some addition or anything, an extra bit comes. Now this will result in overflow because now we know that our register cannot store this extra bit. Okay, so I have given you an example. In this case, let's see when we add this number, this is 255 in decimal and this is 1 in decimal. When we add these numbers, we get this binary number. Now you see these are 8 bits and this is the ninth bit. Now 9 bits is not enough, our register is not enough to store 9 bits. Okay, that's why it goes beyond the capacity of the container and it overflows. Okay, so in previous times you must have heard that we have 16-bit computers and we have 32-bit computers. So what does this mean? That we have 16-bit computers, that means that they can handle only numbers from 0 to this number, that is 16-bit if we are talking about 16-bit computer. Okay, how do we get this 65535 number? Because when we represent 1111 till 16 times, right? 0 to 15, if we represent this number, so what will happen when we convert this number into decimal? We will get, I have talked about conversions in the previous video. So when we convert this number, 1111 1114 So this is a 16-bit computer, let's say, and it can now hold only these 16 bits at max. So when we convert this number into decimal, what will it be? This number, 2 raised to the power 16 minus 1. Okay, so that is why the limit of this is this decimal number. Okay, because if we have a bigger number than, let's say, this number 65536, it will we will then need extra bit here, and we already know that the capacity of this computer is 16 bit. Okay, so this extra bit can not be accommodated in the 16 bit. That's why we can only handle this range of numbers. Okay, so this is the basic concept of this topic, that when doing some calculation an overflow occurs, it is because of that the computer can because the computer can only support 16 bits or 8 bits or 32 bits.